Alright, got in the 2018 F case. This particular one is 99AF GM. General Motors, right? Let's take a peek inside and see what we got. Come on, tape. I think I need to sharpen my knife. A little bit too dull. Take a peek inside. So the Street Wiener gets a remake, recolor. What is this? So it's a chili dog now. Got the Ducati 1199. Looks kind of familiar. Did they do one red a few years ago? Got another, the Batman Arkham Knight, which is from the previous case. Got the Aston Martin, Dodge Charger Daytona, and Crescendo. I believe these were all in the previous case as well. E-case. The Bubble-Matic. That's brand new. I'm guessing this is a play on the hot tub. Very cool. Got the Prada. Another HW450F. Got the Nissan Skyline 2000 GTR, which is from the previous case. Now look at that, 95 Mazda RX-7. That is really nice. 57 Chevy Valentine's. It's been out. Should I give that to my wife for Valentine's Day? I'm sure she'll love it, right? Got the Rally Cat. Then the Crate Racer and the 174 GT, all from the previous case. Looks like the Lotus gets a recolor. Another Nissan Skyline. And also the 2010 Pro Stock Camaro, which was in the previous case. Tee It Off 2, another Bubble-Matic, and the Nissan 180SX, which is the previous case, but still a really nice car to show off. Too bad that's not the Super. Got the 2017 Ford GT again, 63 Chevy 2, which is from the previous case, and this guy, Beat All. Is this supposed to be like a Halo Master Chief helmet kind of thing? Turn into a car as a rhinoceros or something? Or a hippo? That is a very unusual car. Got the Chevy again, another Beat All. Oh yeah, check out the Loopster recolor. That is hot. Literally with those flames. Got two of every one of these, all the variations. I've got all of them with the hands down, and all of them with the hands up. Sweet. Happy to add that to the collection. Uh-oh. That got messed up. Tell it just doesn't seem to care too much about packing these things anymore. Got another Mad Props. And Dodge Charger, which was from the previous case, along with the Charger. Oops. So the Indy 500 Oval. This will be the Super Treasure Hunt for the F case. This one is obviously not the Super. It has the Spectraframe blue, so it's a much darker blue with the real riders. Dodge Challenger SRT gets a recolor. Don't like yellow, but I actually like that one. The Hot Wheeler, previous case. Fig Rig, which was from the previous one. Another Aston Martin. And the Solid Muscle. Really like how they do those tampos on the flat black. Stay, don't fall. Did it even come full? Wow. That one kind of packed to the side. A little bit unusual. Chevelle SS Wagon from the previous case. Same with the Volkswagen Beetle. This is a recolor, the 2015 Mercedes AMG. In a very nice black. The interior really pops in that thing. Nice. Definitely like that one. So we got the 71 Porsche 911 and the Cyber Speeder and the Pagana. All from the previous case. See if I can find that regular treasure hunt. Not sure what it is. Like, kind of surprised myself in these cases. See if I can find it. Oh, and I found it. It is the Rockster, which looks like an H3. See that TH logo right there? The Hot Wheels Ski Team. I kind of like it, especially those white tires. And this has new design, the Ford Fiesta. It's not Pawn Stars, it's or like a pawn shop. It's like a pawn from chess. Checkmate series. So that's new, interesting. Another custom Chevy from the previous case. Another Hot Wheeler. And the Datsun 240Z gets a recolor. Very sharp red. That could have almost been a Super too. Throw some Real Riders on there and put a little TH logo. Get yourself a Super. The Mercury Cougar, which I found one of these in a 9-pack without the tampos. Another Solid Muscle and Fig Rig. The Tankinator gets a recolor. Very cool blue. Oh yeah, the Volkswagen T2 pickup. I think it's pretty sweet. Then High Beam, which is a new car. It's kind of really jacked up. That's the way it's supposed to be. So we get a lot of new fantasy cars this year. Wow, that's nice. Look at that. Honda Civic Type R. Good job, Hot Wheels. I'm very happy with this one. Another Nissan 180SX. Another teed off. Man, that Civic is nice. Look at that. Too bad they didn't do the rear tampos. I know they don't do them all, like all 3 sides now, but that is sharp. I think that might be my favorite one from the F case. The Ollie Rocket. That looks like a brand new wheel design. I haven't seen that wheel before. It's got a little notch in there. I wonder why. Nice, beautiful red. Another Solid Muscle. Another 71 Porsche. Wow, that's new too. The Porsche 917 LH. Oh man, too bad they didn't do this one in the Car Culture series with Real Riders. It would have been perfect. I mean, it's already set up to look like one with all these nice tampos and stuff on it. It's got the clear headlights. Another well done one. This that a plastic base? Yeah, so it still has a plastic base, but yeah, if you're listening to this, Mattel, turn this one to a car culture. Just the way it is. Just throw some Road Riders on there and a metal base. You're all set. Another from the Checkmate series, the Velocita, is the Queen. I wonder if they're going to do the King as a chase. Or as a regular treasure hunt or something. Another Crate Racer from the previous case. Custom Ford Maverick from the previous case. Another High Beam. And Speed Slayer is a Super Chrome. Ooh. Not just your normal chrome, guys. It's a Super Chrome. So do they consider that a super treasure hunt? No, they still have the numbers up there, so it's not even considered a regular treasure hunt. Come on. It's a Super Chrome. It's going to be super, right? Wow, look at that. Custom 67 Pontiac Firebird. First edition was the Z-Mac, and now we got this red painted one. That is really sharp as well. Then we got a High Roller. It's really cool. You can see the engine in there. Another one of these Porsches. Mattel, if you're listening, make it happen. And last but not least, another 57 Chevy. And a nice bone shaker. Too bad I only got one of these. Let's say just bone shaker 68 on the side. That's disappointing, I only got one of those. That's also one of the nicest ones in the F case. And the 32 Ford. Early Times. Very cool. Anyways, guys, let me know what you're finding. FK should be hitting stores shortly in the United States at least. I know they've already been hitting internationally, but the United States would tend to be the last to get them. So good luck, happy hunting, and don't forget to like and subscribe.